What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you a simple method on how to draw Venom. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the inside edge of the eyes. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We want to bend this in and then up towards the top. Let's line up the bottom over on the right side and do the same thing. So we're just going to taper this up towards the top. Now from the top of that line, we want to step down, curve this down and out with a short line. Let's bend this up and then out towards the side. Curve this up and then in. Now I want to add a point along the inside. So we're going to bend this in and then down. Taper this up and then out towards the top. Let's work our way around the outside of the eye. So starting back on the left, going out and then down. Now I want to bring this back towards the inside. So we start by coming down at an angle, round out the eye, and then bend that up. Let's leave a gap underneath the eyes and draw the top of the mouth. We're going to bend this up and then down. From the ends, curve the mouth going out and then up alongside the eyes. Add a small bracket on the end. So we're going to step in, go out, and then down. Now on the end, we're just going to curve the mouth, coming in and then down towards the bottom, and do the same thing on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now along the bottom, we're just going to curve the mouth in towards the tongue. So we're going to bend this down and in. And then on the left side, we're just going to overlap the tongue. So we're going to step up, come down, bend this up towards the right, curve around, and then back in. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to step all the way up towards the side. We're going to draw that seam. We're going to go up towards the top of the tongue and then down in the middle. Go back up, draw the right side going out, and go across the mouth, bend this out, and then down towards a point. Let's move up to the top and draw two large fangs along the side. Bend this down and in, and taper that back up towards the top. I'm going to add 4 smaller teeth along the center, going down and up. Let's add 1 more tooth along the outside. I'm just going to bend this down and then back up. Now let's draw the lower half of the head. From the corner of the mouth, we're going to step up, bend this around, come in, and then down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go around the corner of the mouth, come in, and then down. Now let's pull this back in towards the side of the tongue. Let's close off the top of the head. From the left side, we're going to step down. We're going to go up, pull the head coming in towards the middle, and go all the way around towards the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Venom. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.